It's honestly insane that I didn't have to do anything to this wig for real. Hey guys, so today we are installing a wig from West Kiss Hair. It is a deep wave curly wig that is supposed to be glueless. I put a little spray on it. It is glueless. I put a little bit of spray on it. But y'all, when I say this is the easiest install I ever did, and this is my first glueless install on my channel, so I'm gonna show you what I did. It was pretty simple. Now, to be honest, I think this is something to do if you're going to be having your wig on for like a day or two and you just want to take it right off after those 2 days. But this is not something that I would do long term. But I will say this is an easy like put on and go type of wig. It already came styled like this with the twist on it. I didn't do none of that. I literally threw this wig on, sprayed it, did my edges, and I was done. I didn't even have to define the curls, y'all. Like, it's honestly insane that I didn't have to do anything to this wig for real. That's never been the case before. So West Kiss, thank you for sending me this hair. Make sure y'all click the link down below if you want this wig. It is a glueless unit. You can use glue if you want to. You can use spray. But like, honestly, before I even sprayed it, y'all, I could not see the lace. This is some really good lace. I don't know what they put in this. But if you're not like a wig girly or you're new to wigs and you want to try wigs, I suggest getting a glueless unit and trying something like this, because this was the easiest install I ever did. I didn't have to use any glue. I didn't have to use any spatula, none of that. I didn't even have to tie the lace up, tie the band, none of that. The wig is truly glueless and it came already styled. I also added these little bows that they sent with it inside of the box. Very cutesy, very, very, very cutesy. I think it's giving me Y2K vibes. And it's just really cute. And like I said, I love that the curls are already defined. I didn't even spray no water on this, y'all. This is like literally throw it on and go. So like I said, if you want to know how I did this, keep watching. It is going to be a voiceover video. So you'll be watching me install it while I explain to you what's going on in the voiceover. So stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And it's Shanorri. Jump scare. I think this is the first time y'all are seeing my hair out in the wild. First, we're going to wipe off the excess dirt off of our hairline. So that's what you see me doing. I'm just showing you guys the little piece of dirt that is there. Thank you to West Kiss for the hair. And I'm just letting the alcohol dry. And do you guys see these beautiful, 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 beautiful locks? This is loose deep wave. And as you can see, the lace is HD. It's supposed to be a glueless wig. It came pre-cut, came pre-bleached, it came pre-twisted. Also, it came with the edges pre-cut and a wig band in the back so that you can wear it glueless. It came with a wig cap, a bonnet pink, which is my favorite color. It came with an edge brush, and it came with a wig band and some lashes. So those are the goodies that came inside my box. This is me trying to open the wig cap, because today I'm just going to place the wig cap on my head. I'm not going to do my wig cap method because this is a glueless wig. I honestly wanted to make this as beginners friendly as possible. That's why I'm not doing the wig cap method. Now I'm going to take my Baskin leather edge control. I got this from the TikTok shop, but they do have a website, so I will link it down below. This is what I use underneath my wig so that my edges can stay there and not be pulled out by the glue. It's best to pull your edges back when you're putting on a wig and putting on a wig cap so that the glue doesn't get on your edges as much as possible. Then I go in with Got To Be glue spray just as an extra layer of protection so that my edges can stay like I said. Then we're going to put on the HD wig cap. I like using HD caps just because they're so seamless and they look like skin underneath your wig. And we are not doing the wig cap method once again. So I'm just going to take some foundation and put it on the wig cap. I'm using the foundation I use when I do my makeup. It's the Sephora Best Skin Ever Matte. And then I just use some alcohol to wipe off the makeup. And y'all, I was listening to my oldies R&B playlist, and clearly I was having a time. I want to know one thing. Do you want me as much as I want you? What she say? Say you do. So anyway, y'all, this is my way of tinting the lace. I don't use a spray or anything. I just use the foundation that I use on my face, and it works pretty well because as you can see, the lace is lacing, baby. This is me just putting it on, and this is my first reaction. And as you can see, I was shocked because I honestly think this might be the best lace I ever had on my head. And this is my first glueless wig, so I was very pleased. I just kept readjusting it because I was trying to see how I wanted it to sit on my head. But I was very happy about this wig. So now we're going to take the bedhead hard head spray. And I'm just going to spray it on top of the lace. I'm not going to do it underneath because it's not really necessary for this spray in my opinion. And this spray does wonders on its own without you having to spray layers underneath. Like, it's still gonna stay. So I blow dried it, and now we're gonna take the Wig Grip Gel by Olive Oil. I'm just brushing the baby hairs into place to see what they even look like. I'm trying to frame them around my face because the way they place the baby hairs is not the normal way I usually place my baby hairs. I'm taking a little bit of the product and I'm just gonna put it all over the hairs so that I can just brush them into place after I put it on there. This is my first time using this product. I seen a girl say that they make your edges last for a long time. And so far so good because I used it on another wig and my edges are lasting longer than they do when I use spray, and I really like that. And it's also not as cakey as when I use Got To Be gel, which is like the best of both worlds for me because I like the spray because it's not cakey, but sometimes it doesn't hold as much, and this is like a happy medium between both of them. As you can see, I'm just kind of brushing the hair into place to figure out what I want to do. I am going to try to link this gel down below in some way possible. If it's on my Amazon storefront or if I just link it directly from a website, I will. I bought it from a hair store, but I really do like this product. It does work, and I like how easy it is to mold, and then it dries in place once you're done molding it. So you can see me kind of sit here like just trying to play with the edges and see how I want them to look because I didn't curl them or anything. I just used the wig as is because it is a glueless wig, and like I said, I want this install to be as easy as possible for anybody that's a beginner. If they want to try this wig or if they just want to try something different and try a new style and want something that's not going to take them hours and hours to get and still be cute. I really think this hairstyle is really cute for like Y2K, or if you just want to try something different like I said. And I didn't even have to pull out my hot comb. So you know how easy it is. You don't have to pull out a hot comb or wax stick. You only pull out spray to make the wig stay. But like, this was it, y'all. I put on my glasses to see what was going on. And then I was like, let me add the bows that they gave me because I felt like it needed a little pizzazz. And honestly, once I added the bows, y'all, that was the finishing touch I needed. The install was done. I was done. I put on my lip gloss and I was feeling it. Like, I'm that girl, period. Yeah, I didn't have to put no water or nothing on this hair. Do you see it? Period. The lace is melted, baby. Y'all go get this wig. Thank you, West Kiss. Hey y'all, so that's the end of this wig install. I hope y'all like it. I like it very much. I will be using this wig again because this was a very easy wig to put on. I will be putting this wig on again. It's so cute. Like I said, it's from West Kiss Hair. Make sure you tap the link down below. Go in my description, tap that link, and buy this wig because it's really good. Like, this is the easiest install I have ever done on myself. I promise you that. I did use some new products in this video, so I hope you guys paid attention to that. If you ever want to do a glueless install, I think those are the best products to use. And this, like I said, this is my first glueless install on this channel, so if you're a glueless girl, this is for you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video to your friends. Let them know that I got another video, and I'm going to be back with another video after that. Make sure you stay tuned. Like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. It's Shanorri. I'll be back with another video.